Hello, have a nice day to all future employers there in Hong Kong. I am Sheila P. Espinosa, 33 years old, from Nabutuan, Solana, Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am married and I have two kids. My son is 12 years old, my daughter is 9 years old. My husband work is a farm laborer. I want to work there in your country because I want to earn and save money for the best future of my two kids. My work experience as a domestic helper was in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 4 months. I served 7 members of the family, 1 couple, and 5 children. Their age are 2, 5, 8, 12, 15 years old. I also work in Qatar. I serve 8 members of the family, 1 couple, and 6 children. Their age are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18 years old. My main duties and responsibilities there are cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the kids. Mom and sir, I hope that you will give me the chance to work with you. I am very hardworking, trustworthy, kind, lovable, responsible, and fast learner. I will assure you that I will do my very best to work hard, ma'am and sir. I will obey and respect your rules and regulations. I hope to see you soon, ma'am and sir. Thank you so much and God bless.